are doing well. This is my first video on this channel. In today's video, I will be doing very quick and easy DIY cartoon. Now without any further ado, let's get started.
At first, I will take it a white cloth for the curtain. And I will fold the cloth to insert the curtain rod. Then make a stitch in the tailoring machine. Okay, the same process cloth stitching the lower portion. Then I put pom-pom lace on the bottom. Okay, the curtain base is ready. Now I am going to make some woolen tassel and pom-pom. Then I bought a potato and I cut it into the shape of my choice. Then I will take some sponge pieces and acrylic color. Apply acrylic paint with a sponge. And I am going to some block it on them. Take some color on the tip and dab dab dab. and it's ready. I really hope you like this one and do this thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.